Hello and welcome to the Math 124 College Algebra, Section 4001 Syllabus Review. This is an online course. My name is Dr. Jeffrey Downs. Here's my email address. My office is Cedar 303. Here's my office phone number. So office hours are Monday, Wednesday from 10 to 11 and from 12:20 to 12:50. And that's in Cedar 303 and online. And then Tuesday, I'll have office hours from 10 to noon, online only. Prerequisite: success in intermediate algebra, algebra 2, math 96 or similar course is recommended as preparation for this course. Students should meet with a counselor to determine readiness based on placement or equivalent exam, high school coursework, or other factors. Course description covers equations and inequalities, relations and functions, linear, quadratic, polynomial, exponential, and logarithmic functions, and systems of linear equations. And there's quite a bit that we cover for this class, It's similar to a Math 126 class. We don't have quite the same depth, though. But if you do take 126 after this, you'll see some common topics there. So course objectives: a successful student will be able to construct detailed graphs of functions, analyze a function's behavior, compose and decompose functions, find inverse of functions, solve equations and inequalities, analyze models and applications. Here are the topics: linear functions, quadratic functions, polynomial functions, exponential and logarithmic functions, systems of linear equations, variation and dimensional analysis, rational functions, radical functions, and piecewise functions. 3-credit course. This course is designed to apply towards a W&C degree and or transfer to other schools within the Nevada system of higher education, depending on the degree chosen and other courses completed. Our textbook is College Algebra by Lumen Learning Digital Access, and there's ISBN. You can buy this activation code for this directly. It's embedded in the course. You can buy it directly from Lumen, so you don't have to worry about going to get the access code elsewhere. So, and there's a trial that you can use for the course. So, okay, grade breakdown. It's really just going to be quizzes. There'll be one quiz for each chapter. That's 60% of the grade. Then homework. Each section has an assignment, and that's 40% of the grade. So, as I said, quizzes or exams, however you want to call them, there's some kind of an assessment for each chapter. The dates for the quizzes are found in the tentative calendar. I shouldn't even call it tentative. That's our calendar. But if we had to change it, we could change things. Currently, quizzes are planned to be completed in Canvas. However, if concern for quiz integrity arises, quizzes may be conducted on paper in a proctored setting. Homework: all homework assignments are in Canvas with the embedded Lumen OHM content website. The homework is completed through the practice activities. You may access the assignments tab under the modules or course summary below the syllabus here on Canvas. Grading of coursework assignments completed on Lumen OHM are automatically graded by that program, and the final grades recorded by that program are transferred to the Canvas gradebook. The official grade record for the course, however, is Canvas, not the gradebook in Lumen, because I have it weighted differently than how Lumen weights it. If you feel a problem was misgraded, please let me know so I can review the issue. Attendance: students are expected to participate and keep pace in the course. Students failing to keep pace or answer emails from the instructor for 2 or more weeks may be dropped from the course. Any departure from the attendance policy must be pre-approved prior to September 6, 2025. Pretest: these are quizzes available before the start of each chapter. These will not count towards for credit, but can be used to help you understand what you might need to know or review before you start that chapter. Ethics statement: no cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with the failing grade. Please be polite and courteous in posting discussion items. Follow current etiquette standards. Early alert: please note that in an effort to help students successfully complete their courses, the counseling office on campus will ask faculty for names of students they feel may be in need of additional assistance. The counselor may be in contact to offer you some ideas. Grade appeals can be made to Dr. Cecilia Gregg. She's the Director of Liberal Arts and Sciences. Disability statement: Western Nevada College is committed to providing reasonable accommodations for all persons with disabilities. This syllabus is available in alternate formats upon request. It is also our goal to be as accessible as possible. If you anticipate any issues related to format, materials, or requirements of this course, please meet with me so that we may address accessibility concerns with the DSS office. Any student with a disability needing academic adjustments is required to register with the Disability Support Services, DSS office. To receive academic accommodations for this class, please submit an application for services which can be found there, and you'll be contacted by a DSS staff member to schedule an appointment. If you have any questions about DSS services, you can contact Susan Trist, and there's her phone number and email address. This really doesn't apply. Any class that is being conducted on site, which this isn't, may have to be switched to remote or online at any point in the semester. So this is old from the COVID days. I just don't know when I can take it out of the syllabus. So anyway, statement on COVID covering that doesn't really apply because we're not in person. Instruction-specific issues, Dr. Dana Ryan, Vice President of Academic and Student Affairs. And there's her phone number and email address. These dates, I believe, are accurate. Anyway, I would verify before you rely on my syllabus. Verify with the WC calendar on any important dates if you're going to make any decisions. And then here's our schedule on how we're going to do things. So we start off, let's not say intro. And maybe I take space, there we go. And then do 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. That does all of 1. These are short chapters. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. That does all of 2. So if you see, we have a quiz pretty much as I think it's every week. Yes. So that's how we're going to churn through this. A lot of topics to cover, and I'm pretty excited about it. I enjoy teaching this class, and I hope you enjoy it as well. So sections to be covered, Module 1, all, everything is all. Module 13, Systems of Equations and Inequalities, so we don't cover all of that. Then dimensional analysis, converting units, dimensional analysis. For each section, there is homework to be completed, and for each module, there's a quiz to be completed. And that does it for the syllabus review. So please let me know if you have questions. I look forward to working with you this semester. I enjoy this class, and I enjoy teaching. So go ahead and get into this, and why don't you now go take a minute and give me your introduction, and I will see you online.